Hey guys, today's National Pet Day, so we got a pet, I guess.
Don't say you guess. Whatever. So his name is Benjamin Benny. I just made it Benjamin. So here, Benny. Here, Benny. Here, Benny.
I guess.
Come on, Benny. Come on, Benny. Come on, Benny.
Benny.
Oh gosh.
He's very cute. Anyway, do you want your hippo
Let's
right
play
now?
fetch.
Benny,
Benny.
you talked about putting your butt against the camera. It's rude.
Well,
Benny
I guess he's not gonna just do any tricks on camera because he's very scared.
and Shy.
Yeah. Wait, maybe we'll get him here. Benny, 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 up, Benny, Benny, sit, Benny, sit, Benny, sit, Benny, sit.
He's sitting.
Wait, Benny, sit, Benny, sit, Benny,
He's
sit.
sitting, Max.
Good sit, Benny. He's sliding his butt. Well, thanks for watching, I guess.
We just want to introduce you to our new dog, Benny.
Thanks for watching, guys.
I'll probably be in some future YouTube videos.
Okay, bye.